Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a little bit of an unboxing of a hairdryer that I have been seeing all over TikTok. And I recently saw that Maddie Westbrook here on YouTube recently got sent one by the company. So I figured I would share with you the hairdryer that I got. I'm not going to tell you what kind because I want to leave it as a surprise, but I've had my traditional hairdryer for about 5 years, so I think it's time for an upgrade, so I'm very excited. Before we get into this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content, because I know you guys love it when I upload videos like this, and I love making these videos for you guys. So the hairdryer I got is TYMO. It's the AIRHYPE blow dryer, and it's so like modern and like sleek, and just everything about this hairdryer is just like out of this world. I used a discount code, so this is what it looks like. Let me take a thumbnail. I'll take another one after this video, but let's open this up if I can manage. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So they give you a little dust bag, which is nice. Most hairdryer companies like Conair and Conair, Revlon don't have that, so that's nice. So if I ever want to travel with this hairdryer, I can. And then they give you a little booklet about how to use the hairdryer, which is nice. I'm gonna set this down so I don't smack myself in the face. So the first thing I see is a diffuser. Now, my hair type is kind of like a combination. It's like wavy slash thick. It's not curly. It's like kind of like beachy waves. So you have this like dial right here. So when you like push it, the prongs go further out, if you guys can see that. There you go. And then so they go further in, out, so you get more volume up at the roots. So I thought that was awesome. And this is a hairdryer competing with Dyson. If you guys know the Dyson Supersonic, or I think that's what it's called. And then this is the comb attachment. It's really good quality, and I'll share with you how to put them onto the product itself. And then the last attachment is this kind of like straight sided, so if you want to like straighten your hair like downward, I don't know, like style it, like straighten it with the hairdryer, you definitely can do that. And then here is the main attraction. It's so like sleek. I love how it's like almost like futuristic, if you guys know what I mean. Like if you look at like a traditional, a little ASMR for you guys. There we go. I love doing that. It's so satisfying. Where's the other tab? There we go. So this is what it looks like. I think they only offer one color for the TYMO AIRHYPE. So I like the color. And then up here you have your cool shot button and your speed button up here. Now, I normally hold my hairdryer like towards the bottom. I know a lot of people hold it up here, and I can see why they are like complaining that they accidentally hit these buttons. I can see myself doing the same exact thing, but I normally hold mine at the bottom of the hairdryer. And then this is the on and off switch. Let me plug it in for you guys so you guys can kind of see the digital display. More ASMR. Oh, there we go. I love doing that. It's so satisfying. If you guys have seen like when a car first comes off of the truck and they unwrap it, ooh, that's so satisfying. I have so many cords. It's like ridiculous how many cords I have. It's very annoying. So don't mind the mess. Oh, there we go. I couldn't like figure it out. Like, okay, what the heck? Come on. I might have to. All right. There we go. All right, it's plugged in. So, what I mean by the digital display is you turn it on like that. Hold on. Okay, that's weird. Mine's not turning on. Hold on. There we go. Try that. Still not turning on? There it goes. All right. So right now, as you guys can see, it's off. And then you flip it up. And it's not even that loud. Like that's not too bad. But there's like different modes where you can choose like room temperature, and then you can choose all these different settings. So I can't wait to try this hairdryer out. And I didn't buy the oil. I might do that later on, but I can't wait to try this. And if you guys have purchased this, let me know in the comments. I would love to know. Oh, let me test the attachments. And that's what you don't get with a Dyson. You have to buy the attachments separately. So that's a little bit of a ripoff, but they're magnetic. So it's not coming off like at all. So I like that feature, that it's magnetic. So that's that attachment. And this is what this attachment. So it's like magnetic. So I like that about this hairdryer. So once I start using this hairdryer, I'll give my full honest review about it. But for now, I will just be okay. I'll mess with that later. But for now, I'll just see how I like it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will have TYMO's website down below in the description box. And please like this video and subscribe if you guys like product reviews and unboxings like I do. And let me know in the comments what other videos I should upload or make. I love reading your guys' comments. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.